Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new video dedicated to the world of aviation. Air Canada Flight 837, operating a Boeing 767-300ER aircraft, encountered a tire failure incident during takeoff from Madrid-Adolfo Suárez Airport. The incident, attributed to a sharp foreign object, FOD, on the runway, led to the explosion of tire number 5 on the left main landing gear. The flight crew, acting swiftly, declared an emergency and requested an immediate return to the airport. As a precautionary measure, engine number 1 was shut down due to the ingestion of tire fragments. To ensure a safe landing, the crew decided to hold the aircraft at 8,000 feet for several hours, carefully managing fuel consumption to reduce the overall weight. During the holding pattern, the landing gear was inspected by a Spanish Air Force McDonnell Douglas EF-18M Hornet fighter aircraft, which confirmed the blown-out tire. Subsequently, at 19:06 local time, Air Canada Flight 837 successfully executed a safe landing at Madrid-Adolfo Suárez Airport. Investigations revealed that the tire failure was caused by the presence of a sharp foreign object on runway 36 liters. This object punctured tire number 5, leading to its explosion and the detachment of tire tread fragments, along with other secondary failures.